Hello everyone, welcome to LC Tech series on safest car final part. Okay guys, on past 4 parts we have been seeing more things about the safest cars and how the safest car test has been done, how the dummies and everything, and at last we has been seen about what are the safest car in India and what are the worst safest car in India. So at next we are going to see about the how to prefer a car when you are buying a car for safest car, and this is our final video on tech series. So this will be a short video and you can gain some knowledge and for preferring and buying a new or a old car. So that is the basic thing we are going to see on this today. Okay guys, we can see that. Go to the first slide. Yeah, buying a car. Okay, for buying a new car, first we are going to see about this is first point is safest budget car. Yeah, you can say, is any budget car is available in the safest segment on budget? Yeah, there are more cars that are available on budget in safety too, because the safety of the car is important in some budget cars like Tata Ultras or having very safest budget cars, and some of the budget cars does not have very less safety and it has been failed and it got 0 marks in safety. So you should be prefer very safest car in low budget too. If you're going to budget, go for safest car with referring more companies. Don't prefer a company by its ancient old stories. Just refer with the new things and how they are developing the companies and just go through it. Okay, at next we are going to see about non-safest budget cars. Yeah, on this we are having more cars, non-safest budget cars. Yeah, there are most of the car is non-safest in budget vehicles due to some good not manufacturing. It is a major manufacturer of the safest cars are two companies in India are doing, but they are not giving safest car for India, but in other countries it getting very high stars. So if you are preferring for a budget car, just go through it and check it up and choose a car. If you are having a very good safest car anyway, you should drive it very safely. If you have non-budget safest car, non-safest car, you should prefer it and you should drive it safely and take the car in each and everything very carefully, because it's very risk for your life too. Okay, so prefer it very clearly with a good knowledge. Okay, at third place you are going to see about safest non-budget car. Yeah, this is the high range cars we are seeing here. Yeah, when you are going to high ranges car, you can just go for safest car. It's a first preference. We don't know non-safest non-budget car itself. Okay, we have to choose safest and non-budget car. We are going very high costly car. If you are seeing that there's a company is not good, it's a local company, don't think about itself. You want only safest car, so you should choose the safest vehicle only. So it is very cost is very 2000 2 lakhs 3 lakhs, it's different. If you are seeing that, don't think about that, just choose the car which is safe to your life and to your environment, because our life is very important. The brand or anything will be not playing when we are facing accident. So we should choose a very safe car which we go for higher budgets or middle budgets. Okay guys, thank you. At next we are going to see about non-safest non-budget car. If you are choosing non-safest non-budget car, just you are showing a show on that, that's all. If you're facing or accident, if you are going to a place very speed moving, you should move very safely. If you cause anything danger or anything risk, there is no insure for your life, there is no secure for your life. So you should choose a safe car only. So we should not, if you are going for out of budget, don't go for non-safest car itself. Just go and refer more things and how the car have safeties and how the airbags, ABS, EBS, APS, everything present in the car, and please select the car very clearly. Okay guys, so at next we are going to see about how to prefer when you are buying a second-hand cars, and this should be followed in buying a second car, how the car budget and the safest or not, and you should prefer that where things consider when you are buying a car. Do's. So when you are doing a car, you should go for visual inspection. When you are going second-hand car, you should do a visual inspection for the car for perfect thing. At next, you want check mechanical check. What are the mechanical check means? You can see the how the smog is coming out from the vehicle, how the engine, everything you should check on it. After that, you want to see the vehicle history, how the vehicle used, how much units the vehicle used, everything should be, you should check on it. And you should go for speakups. So speakups is many important, because when you are speaking, you should have get many details from him. When you are speaking more, when you are giving more things, more talking, more times you with them, you will be speaking with them, you will be getting more about the car. They will be automatically telling the information, how the car got everything, informations, maintenance, everything will be told on that time. So you should follow that. More speak up with the owners when you are buying a car, so you can get more ideas and more drawbacks, and you know about more profits and everything about the car, you can bargain with it. Okay, and at last, you want to meet safely with the customer with secure places. When your amounts or everything, you should ensure the meeting places and everything you should meet, and think about the vehicle, everything should be followed rightly. Okay, the don'ts, what are there? So you should not rush to purchase, you should not be very fast. I want to buy the car, this is the time I want go. So you should not do like that. You want to take your own time, and you should accept your time, and you want to take more time for before you're purchasing. Okay, and don't accept the issues. Second point, you are saying accepting issues, so avoid this point. Okay, don't accept issues. If I have an issue, so if this car is having issue, I can repair it, blah, 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 we can do it, we can manage. Don't think about that. If you're having any issues, just avoid that car and you move for it and wait for some time. Okay, and at next, don't buy unseen. By seeing online, by seeing in some things, you just order car, it will be reaching me. Don't do like that itself by paying amount. If you're buying unseen car, what are the drawbacks, mistakes, or inside, we will be unable to know about it, like mechanical checks and the vehicle's visual inspection, how the scratches, body parts, everything we will be unable to recognize. So don't buy unseen cars. And the important thing, when you are buying your car for buying a second hand, you are trying for and new car also, you should don't listen on music. When you are listening to the music and said, you will be not able to hear the what are the inspection sounds, and what are the mistakes in the vehicle, what are the problems in the vehicle, will be not able to find when you are listening the music, and what are the bolts and anything or doors are loose on it, will be not able to know about that. So don't listen music, and don't ignore instructions. So the buyer, the seller, or anything will be convincing you, this will be easy, and they will be confusing. Don't confuse before that. Be clear of buying a car with a clear idea, with a good quality. Okay, so guys, these are the things we have been discussed, those things to consider buying a new car and old car. So we should prefer, and we should select the best car for ours. So all of you choose the best car for your life, and everyone select your safest car for your life. Okay guys, and another one special thing, if you buy a safest car, means also you should drive safe your car, and you should wear your seat belts compulsorily. Then only your airbags get works, everything will be works. So you should be wearing your seat belts, and you should drive your car safely too. Okay, because the testers are doing from the 60 kilometers to 100 kilometers only, and you're going in very high speed. There is no insurance for your life, and there is no insurance for your vehicle safety too. So choose a very safest car and travel to it. Save your family, because your family is waiting for you in the home, and because everyone is waiting for you in office, every place. So you should reach every places very safely. So we should drive the car very safely. Okay guys, thank you for everyone for your support guys. This is a love of you to give more videos like this. Thank you guys, thank you so much guys. So kindly support us more, and don't forget to submit your attendance in the description. In this video of upcoming video, we have been open the description for every videos, so you can see every videos of us in the last 5 tech series in our safest car, and you can submit your attendance. When you are submitting your attendance, according to that, the viewers of the 5 videos time range and the attendance based on your submitted will be calculated equally on the 5 videos your name is present, and the 5 videos your watch hours views will be confirmed by YouTube and will be compared, and your certificates will be provided to you through mail. And if it's not mail available, we will be sending you to the drive link so you can make use of it. Okay guys, thank you guys for your support. Kindly support us continuously. Don't forget to watch our upcoming videos, everything. Thank you everyone for your support. Thank you guys.